Today, we're exploring the design of the final pit contour and its alignment with the reference shell. In today's challenging economic environment, it's crucial to minimize operating costs without compromising efficiency. Selecting and designing the optimal final pit contour brings us significantly closer to achieving this goal. Let's choose a final contour to proceed with our pit design. For this example, we'll select the contour corresponding to a product price adjustment factor of 0.75. We'll use this contour to create the shell for our subsequent operations. Next, we'll generate isolines referencing the established horizons. Currently, this is done using the Create Isolines command. And here's a quick sneak peek. Soon this task will be automated in the Dynamic Design plugin, which is already under development. We remove any open-ended lines and smooth out the isolines. Automatic smoothing is also on the way soon. For now, we'll keep only those lines clearly representative and useful for our design. Narrow areas within the pit typically won't be relevant for our design considerations. Now, let's switch over to the Dynamic Design plugin. Here, we define our horizons and add the critical guiding lines for our project. You can add as many supporting lines as needed on various horizons, or even multiple ones on the same horizon, to match the current pit shape. Once we verify that the resulting slope angles closely align with our target parameters, we're ready to move forward. If adjustments are needed, you can always modify your horizon settings. Also, zones let you assign specific geotechnical parameters unique to different areas of your pit. Next comes designing the ramps. Here's where every mine designer truly becomes an artist, carefully placing roads to efficiently connect all areas while minimizing their total length to reduce costs. Decide what you need, where you need it, create it, and keep moving. Our Dynamic Design plugin allows flexibility in determining road curves, horizontal segments, and other road configurations. Every element is fully customizable, and each adjustment automatically updates every related point within your design. And don't forget, you can always leverage commands from other modules. That's one of our software's key advantages. A unified environment with a single database. Once you're satisfied with the project, you can quickly perform preliminary volume and quality estimations directly within the Dynamic Design plugin. Results can be broken down by specific zones and horizons. By visualizing the relevant block model section, you ensure all essential blocks have been included in your calculation. The result of the final contour design is, naturally, the shell that we will evaluate further. Next, we move into the Optimal Pit Boundaries module. Go to the External Contour Evaluation section and add our designed pit contour as an additional constraint. Then, navigate to the Comparison menu and select all the elements you'd like to analyze simultaneously. You can always adjust settings to refine your comparisons. The calculation results will yield an assessment of blocks similar to those obtained during optimization. Detailed information allows for thorough evaluation and informed decision-making. Use the provided indicators in the table or calculate any additional metrics you might require. Take your time, create multiple variants, compare them thoroughly, and discover your ideal solution. With dynamic design tools, adjustments are quick and easy, and the optimization module effortlessly handles comparisons, whether you evaluate one scenario or many. Experiment freely and enjoy the results.